Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with her shout-outs. I'd like to say thank you guys for supporting me when I have just lost my mind. March is very, very, very hectic because of spring break and everything else. And then you start thinking about end of the school year, summer camp, and then you just start in this drive of getting things done quickly. I would like to say thank you guys for so many reasons. You guys are my support. You guys are my family. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you guys so much. And I just want to do a shout out. So I am looking for my latest video. I've been doing a lot of vlogs because I have not had the opportunity to record the way I would like to record. So I'm gonna go to a vlog. So Growth with Nikki. Thank you, Miss Catalina. Thank you, Fab. I want to say thank you, Amelia Nation. Thank you, Amalia and Sharon. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Now I'm pretty good at butchering names, but it's okay. You guys know it's coming from the heart and that I love you. Forever Purple. Thank you. Rolana Lifestyle. Aloha, my Hawaii friend. I love her so much. And Sugar Living My Best Life. Thank you. And Diamond 76, the actual VIP. Thank you so much. Whew. You guys are amazing. I love you guys so much. And then the last one, of course, she's going to be there. Diamond 76. Pam. Mendia Promulio and Rolana from Aloha. Also, I would like to say thank you. Thank you for your love and support during the times when I could not record and just vlog majority of the time frame. Let me get to one of my last recordings. Let's see. Oh, it's right here. And it's going to be Eunice K, Yasmin Dane, Miss B London, Grow with Nikki, Life with Me. That's my YTBFF. She's right there. I love her. Aloha from Ralanan. Shanzi World, MZ World, Glam Right, Shanine, Living Life with Linda, Stasha, Edna, Pam, It's Lori's Life, Keeping It Simple with Bridget, Lipstick and then this, MZ Brazil, that's my sis from day one, and Deandra Walker. Thank you guys so much. And I'll do another shout out very soon. And I'll talk to you guys very, very, very soon. You guys have a wonderful spring. And I'll talk to you guys later on in the month of April. Bye.